Welcome to SurveyHeart Premium, where professional features drive exceptional productivity. Let's explore. Get the storage you need, from 5 GB to 150 GB, based on your plan. Reach more people with up to 150,000 responses. Scale your surveys effortlessly. Attach more images effortlessly with our customized plans. Personalize your forms with more custom theme styles. Add unlimited file upload questions to your forms. Enhance user experience with advanced logic jumps. Upgrade your forms with smart question types. Create customizable thank you pages to leave a lasting impression. Allow respondents to edit their responses easily. Receive high-priority support through email and call for immediate assistance. Create professional, distraction-free forms. Remove ads and branding in premium plans. Upgrade to the premium plan today and unlock all these incredible features. Thank you.